Hi guys, good evening. It's 9:15 CE time. Piotr here. This is the first Land of Trading video after summer holiday, and we are going to start with short Bitcoin analysis tonight. You saw the disclaimer. Let me repeat the risk warning. Please bear in mind that trading, investing in crypto carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for all investors. You can sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, so please do not invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. Seek education, gain experience before risking real money. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Alright guys, after it's almost 2 years, I think that here at Land of Trading we finally get to the point we will be offer some additional things to you, but more about that please follow our Twitter channel, and you will get more information what we are planning for the upcoming weeks and months. Let's start with our Bitcoin analysis. Let's start with monthly chart. Quickly, briefly, I do believe that the July-August range, right? So the high of the July, low of the August are very important here from that perspective. I still believe that here, based on this monthly chart, based on this monthly possible demand, something is not correct. It's like Damocles sword here. At every moment we can try to retest this level. We are talking about the levels well below 5,000. But for now, the August low, lower shadow, looks like we may see attempt to at least retest July high around 8,500. First, of course, high of August and high of July. I would say range for the last 3 months, and everything is possible if we are gonna to try to provide upside potential. Once we are gonna to break July high, we can make the measure. It's $2,800. So once we are gonna to break and close above July high, we may see the rally for $2,800, right? So we may see attempt to even break 10,000. On the other hand, breakdown of the August low, so breakdown below 5,800 may bring us towards 3,500, 3,000, and in that case the retest of this possible demand visible here on the monthly chart. But it's gonna take most probably either way, either break up or breakdown. It may take some time. So let's switch to the lower time frame. Let's switch to the weekly chart, and here it looks a little bit better from the bulls perspective. What I mean by that, especially the close above 7,000, right? It may bring the high of this mid-July, may bring rally towards this mid-July high, 7,700, 7,800. But I wouldn't be surprised if we are going to take into the consideration that from the very beginning of May we are within some kind of the range here, right? So not only 7,700, 7,800, but also top of that range towards 8,500, 8,700 might be here in play. And this type of the range also, I wouldn't be surprised, it may stay with us for quite some time. To the downside, of course, move first below 7,000 may open the way towards 6,800, and in case of the breakdown we are on the way towards 5,000 and eventually lower. I'm quite positive based on what I can see here on weekly chart, as long as we are above 7,000 on a weekly basis, means that I cannot rule it out that we are going to try to close the gap. I mean high from 2 weeks ago, all right? So we may try to close this gap towards 6,900, 6,800, right? So trying to close, we need then lower shadow, and we need to close above 7,000, 7,200, and really towards 7,700, 7,800, and again closing above, it will open the way toward 8,500. So again, retest of this 2 weeks ago high, and really from here, as long as we will be able to close on a weekly basis above 7,000. Then daily looks even better. Basically 7,700, 7,800, based on what we can see here to the left side. I'm talking about this level here, all right? So looks like because of the close above 7,200, right? And we are talking about this one second. Jesus, where is this arrow to the upside? Anyway, because we close already above this level over here, it's the way towards 7,700, 7,800, as long as we are on a daily basis, as long as we are above 6,800 base. Again, one second, let's make it more visible. Okay, USA. So that's the first zone here, and as long as we are as long as we are above this zone here, okay, the rally towards 7,800 still possible, especially that we should find, and looks like we already tried to retest this low today, as you can see, and lower shadow trying higher. We have some kind of stops above yesterday high, and that may open the way towards 7,700. Especially very important within the last 24-48 hours, two important information. First, it was the increase by 50% of new shorts, so record in terms of short positions. And yesterday late afternoon, there was information about the move from cold storage in terms of Tether of about 100 million. So are we going to see short squeeze? In case it's really about short squeeze, I don't think we are gonna to stop around 7,700, 7,800. I think we may see squeeze towards 8,500, 8,600. So we'll see. Let's switch to intraday chart. Let me clean a bit. And let's switch to 1 hour chart. And from intraday perspective, where we are above 7,200. We are trying to base above this level. So in that case, if we are going to have a look on the left side, the same what we have on daily, 7,600, 7,600, stops above towards 7,700, 7,800. Where is the first intraday support? I would say the first intraday support is around 7,800, and right now, based on this higher low, higher high scenario over here, really I'm quite positive in that case. Alright, that was the first Bitcoin analysis after the summer holiday. I wish you pleasant evening. Hopefully we are gonna to see some crypto action tomorrow as well. Don't forget about the FX market. If you like what we are doing, subscribe here, subscribe to our Twitter channel, and see you around. Take care. Have a good one.